Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the Card Minnow Valvo, and today we'll be dusting off our old friends, positive and negative numbers, and asking ourselves, wait, how do we actually add these? Middle school magic camp's finally paying off. Alright, so we have two techniques for adding positive and negative numbers. Technique 1 uses the number line, while Technique 2 uses absolute value. Let's start off with Technique 1. That was supposed to hit the camera. Technique 1. First draw a number line. Now you don't have to make yours as snazzy as mine. I've been doing this for a while. Then, if one of the numbers in your sum is negative, move that many spaces to the left on the number line, because remember, the left direction on the number line is the negative direction. Then, if you're adding a positive number, move that